Okay. We will not start this sail by hitting a buoy. A little bit more in. Ah, NC Scow. That's a fast little boat there. How's it going? Yeah, oh yeah. Looking forward to it. Okay, this is good. This is good. Here we go. We've got dark water for a bit, so we should have some good water, some good wind here. Come on, it's still a little ways out. The good wind's coming. It's right under this dark cloud here. Yes, here we go. Let's sail this boat, come on. Yes, there we go. 11 knots. Come on. Oh yeah, holes up. We're out of the water. Cruising. So what I do from here, if the boat gets overpowered, we're going to turn left a bit. If the wind cuts off, we're going to turn right. That'll keep the wind in the sails and keep us from lifting as high as I just did. Oopsie. It's fun. The chicks dig it, but it's not fast. Here we go. Come on. Leaning out. There we go. Trying not to ease the main sheet because that'll slow us down too much. Just making the adjustments with the tiller to keep the hull that I'm standing on just skipping across the top of the water. That's exactly what I want right here. That's exactly what I want. Give me some more power and let us turn up. Going 12 knots. Not bad. Wish I could sort out my lines here. There we go. Housekeeping. Turn down. Turn down. Pick up speed. Lean out. Keep the hull from lifting. Uncleat. Let the main out. Let the main out. Pull it back in. Main in. Main in. Go, go, go. Come on. Let's get this thing going again. Here we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Perfect. 12 knots. Hull is starting to lift, so I'm turning up, turning up, turning up. Now I have to let the sail out, set it back down and turn down. We're crabbing a little bit. I've got to get better at steering for these gusts rather than utilizing the main sheet because that's slowing me down. Okay, let's reset here. Perfect here. This is what I want. Lean out. There we go. Keep that speed on. Keep that speed on. Pinched it a little bit too high there. I choked my wind off. Okay. Let's reset this traveler here. Traveler in. $5.55 for the second nautical mile. Picking it up a little bit. work on attack as if we needed to change directions. Where's the good wind? Okay. Cleat pulling across. Okay, get the main sorted and we're off.